Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Oil 2 tablespoon, chopped onion 1 cup, saute for 2 minutes on medium heat or until changes color. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, saute for 2 minutes. Now add minced mutton 200 grams, salt as per taste. Cook for 2 minutes. Now add red chili powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric half tablespoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Cook for 2 minutes. Now add chopped tomatoes half cup. Mix and cook for 5 minutes on medium heat or until mutton tender. Now add fenugreek leaves 2 cups. Mix everything. Water half cup. Cook for 10 minutes. Now it's ready to serve. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching.